My name is Orishidodu with Absa Bank Ghana. I'm the head of alternate business. I'm the one leading the charge for this particular relationship between Absa and MEST. The collaboration between Absa and MEST has given a lot of insights to young companies. We have a couple of areas that we're paying a lot more attention to, where we have the agriculture, the youth segment, startup area, where we even do have a startup proposition for startups and all. I think this relationship and this collaboration has actually helped foster that kind of skill sets a bit more to those guys. The partnership delivered 4 workshops. First being financial management, value chain, investment readiness, ethics, risk, and sustainability. These workshops have equipped the companies we invited and given them the necessary skill sets to be able to go into the market and be able to perform better. We believe that we've had positive impacts on their businesses. As a bank, we've realized that the environment is changing. And for us to be able to adapt, one of the key things we decided to do was to launch Absa Hacks.
Hello, my name is Clement Kwakwamwesi, and we are Team Inside.
Together we are Team Ase.
And our team is Ejuma!
Absa Hacks was to challenge the youth, be able to give us ideas on how we can actually bank them better. Funny thing is that we actually got people from all walks of life. We got from Ghana, from Nigeria, from Senegal, from South Africa, from Kenya, coming in to come and support us in Absa Hacks. And for me, it was one of the most exciting periods in this particular relationship. MEST African Challenge is MEST Pan-African Pitch Competition, and it was exciting for Absa to partner. This brought about a lot of young entrepreneurs who are looking to grow their business, scale their business, and for the judges to challenge them with their thought process, and it's been exciting. The vision for 2023 is to make it a better year. We've had learnings from 2022, and we hope we're able to improve on what we've done and make 2023 a better year.